In a world where AI shapes everything we see on our screens, one country just made a historic move. Australia has officially become the first nation to ban social media access for children under 16. Starting December 10th, 2025, all major platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, Facebook, even X, must block anyone below 16 from creating or maintaining an account. And here's the big twist: the responsibility is on the companies, not on kids or their parents. If platforms fail to comply, they face massive fines up to 49.5 million Australian dollars, or even higher penalties scaled to 30% of global turnover for larger tech giants. Why such a bold decision? Because the digital world is shifting faster than ever.
From 10 December, social media platforms will have a responsibility to remove young Australians under the age of 16 from their platforms. With the support of the regulatory guidance being published today, there is no excuse for non-compliance. Platforms must take reasonable steps to detect and deactivate underage accounts, to prevent re-registration or circumvention, and to provide an accessible complaints process for their users. Platforms must implement the laws in a way that is effective, private, and fair. They must communicate openly and transparently with their users about the age assurance systems that they are using. We will always keep backing Australian families and keeping Australian kids safe.
AI now controls recommendations, filters, trends, influencers, even the unseen mechanics of what goes viral and what quietly disappears. And in this high-speed, algorithm-powered environment, the Australian government believes younger users are increasingly vulnerable. The ban aims to shield children from harmful content, social pressure, online manipulation, and addictive design, especially as AI systems become more autonomous and harder to regulate. Supporters call this a landmark step, saying it could finally give kids the offline breathing room they've been losing over the years. Critics, however, raise two major concerns. First, privacy. Age verification means more data collection, and not everyone is comfortable with that. Second, access. Many young people rely on online communities for learning, creativity, or even emotional support. Cutting off everything at once, they argue, might do more harm than good. Still, this moment puts Australia right at the centre of a global debate. How far should governments go to protect young users in the age of AI? And will other countries follow this path? The UK plans similar bans, France proposes restrictions, and US states have partial laws. As the world watches closely, the question now shifts to all of us. Is this the future of digital safety, or a step too far? What do you think?